Are you tired of wondering what exactly makes a man fascinating to women? Do you ever wonder what the key is to some men's irresistible charm? Well, fret not, because today we're diving deep into the realm of attraction and uncovering the 5 irresistible qualities that women just can't resist in a man. Today we're going on an exploration to find just what it takes to capture the hearts and minds of women. From the subtle allure of male perfume to the magnetic draw of confidence and leadership, we'll stop at nothing to discover the secrets of irresistible attractiveness. So, buckle in and prepare to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll have enough expertise and know how to make any woman weak at the knees. Let's dive right in and uncover the magic together. Number 1. Manners. Manners speak volumes about a person's character and integrity. Exhibiting good manners, such as opening doors, offering jackets, and actively listening, not only shows respect for others, but also demonstrates thoughtfulness and consideration. These straightforward yet powerful gestures hold the potential to make a profound impact on women, conveying a sense of value and appreciation that resonates deeply. Moreover, displaying manners indicates a level of emotional intelligence and social grace, qualities that are highly attractive to women seeking meaningful connections. By practicing courtesy and etiquette in interactions, men can create a positive and welcoming atmosphere that fosters genuine connections. Ultimately, manners serve as a foundation for building trust and rapport, paving the way for deeper and more fulfilling relationships with women. Number 2. Generosity. Generosity is a trait that holds immense power in the realm of attraction. It goes beyond material gifts and extends into the realm of emotional generosity and kindness. When a man exhibits generosity, whether through small acts of kindness or grand gestures, it signals to a woman that he is caring, compassionate, and considerate. This has the power to cultivate trust and a feeling of security, nurturing a stronger bond between them. It demonstrates an understanding of the importance of giving without expectation, which is highly valued in relationship. By embodying generosity, a man not only enhances his appeal, but also creates a foundation for meaningful and fulfilling connections with women who appreciate his kind-hearted nature. Number 3. Masculine cologne. Imagine stepping into a room and instantly captivating everyone's attention, not just with your appearance, but with an aura of irresistible allure. This is the power of masculine cologne. More than just a fragrance. It's a subtle yet potent tool that introduces you before you even utter a word. Picture it as the opening act of a captivating story, with your scent as the protagonist. A masculine cologne sends a message of sophistication, confidence, and allure. It whispers hints of mystery and sensuality, enticing those around you with its alluring aroma. When chosen thoughtfully, it becomes an extension of your personality, leaving a lingering trail of intrigue in your wake. Number 4. Leadership and confidence. Leadership and confidence are like a magnetic force that draws women towards men. Confidence is not just about arrogance or being a know-it-all. It's about exuding an aura of strength, stability, and self-assurance. When a man carries himself with confidence, he stands out from the crowd, radiating a sense of assurance that is incredibly appealing to women. This confidence manifests in various aspects of life, from making decisions with conviction to taking charge of situations with ease. A man who can lead with confidence not only commands respect, but also instills a sense of security and trust in those around him. Ultimately, leadership and confidence go hand in hand, forming a powerful combination that makes a man irresistible to women. Number 5. Independence. Independence is more than just a personal trait. It's a quality that exudes confidence and self-assurance, making it incredibly attractive to women. A man who is independent demonstrates that he is capable of standing on his own 2 feet, both emotionally and practically. This trait implies a level of self-reliance and resilience that women find appealing, as it signifies a partner who can navigate life's challenges with grace and confidence. This sense of inner strength and autonomy can be incredibly alluring to women, as it suggests a level of maturity and self-awareness that is highly desirable in a partner. Ultimately, independence is not about being detached or aloof, but about having a strong sense of self and the ability to thrive independently, which can make a man truly irresistible to women. So, gentlemen, why not embrace these characteristics and become the best version of yourselves? After all, as the saying goes, be the man your daughter would want to be with. Are you ready to tap into your limitless potential and begin an adventure of genuine connections? Let's delve in and find your appeal and talents. We want to express our heartfelt gratitude to all of our viewers for joining us on this interesting journey. If you found this video useful, remember to subscribe and enable notifications for more interesting content. Let us empower one another to be the finest versions of ourselves. Until next time, remain attractive.